So top secret workouts that I give my guy clients 30 and older to help them boost testosterone, build muscle, get ripped, and ultimately just enjoy this thing we call fitness. So I'm gonna share with you these top secret workouts right now. Hey, what's up guys? Josiah Fitness, and today we're talking about some top secret hacks that I give my guy clients 30 and older for their workout plans, because there's a story I want to share with you that has impacted my training philosophy and also what I teach clients inside of our True Transformation program that I think will help you in a big way, not only build muscle, boost testosterone, but honestly enjoy fitness and avoid injury as you progress through your 30s and beyond. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so one of the first things we do inside of designing programs, especially for our guys 30 and older, is we want to help design a program that's going to avoid those unnecessary and ultimately could be catastrophic injuries. Back a few years ago, I was going through a period of time where I wasn't getting a lot of sleep because I had had my second child in a matter of a year and a half. And I was still trying to train like I was in my early 20s, high frequency, tons of volume, tons of powerlifting style movements like barbell bench press, barbell overhead press. Those are great movements, but sometimes you need to incorporate movements that are just a little bit safer, that are going to give you a little bit more longevity as well as muscle development. So one of the first things we do is we look at exercise selection. So for my guys 30 and older, one thing I'll tell you is starting to use dumbbells more frequently instead of barbells is a great idea. It just gives the muscle movement patterns a lot more natural ability. So with a barbell, for example, on bench press, your arms are fixed on that barbell. There's really nowhere to go besides that that fixed range of motion when you're doing a bench press or overhead press. Versus a dumbbell bench press or dumbbell overhead press, there's a lot more flexibility and a lot more range of motion. So it puts the muscle in a state where you're not gonna be susceptible to an unnecessary pull or tear, like a pec tear or a shoulder issue, or even elbow tendonitis because you're putting a lot of stress on small parts of the joint. At the end of the day, I like to swap out barbells for dumbbells because at the end of the day, it's not about trying to prove something in the gym anymore, right? Nobody's walking up to us every day saying, hey man, how much do you bench press? Or how much do you deadlift? Maybe 1 in a million people will ask those kind of questions, but ultimately it's about enjoying fitness and staying healthy, as well as developing the muscle and keeping your joints healthy as you move forward. Little aches and pains start to creep up if you're training super heavy with barbells all the time. So I'm not saying completely eliminate the barbells, but I would use dumbbells probably about 80 to 90% of the time, occasionally throwing in some barbell work. So that's tip number one. So I know cardio gets a bad rap, and in all honesty, it gets a bad rap for usually pretty good reasons. A lot of programs out there, especially body transformation programs or bodybuilding style programs where you're doing things like contest prep, really overemphasize cardio. But it doesn't mean cardio is bad. It just means that we need to be doing a good ratio of actual weight training, resistance training to cardio. We don't need to put all of our time and effort into doing hours of cardio when we should be building muscle in the gym. So that being said, for guys 30 and older, we want to take care of our heart muscle. We still want to be doing some versions of cardio. So one thing I like to do with our guy clients, especially busy guys in their 30s who have families, busy careers, is I like to throw in some metabolic style cardio at the end of their workout. So we combine our daily activity goal, which is more focused on steps and walking around more and just being more active in our lifestyle, with quick, kind of fun pieces of cardio at the end of training sessions. So for example, we have them hop on the Airdyne bike and we'll do circuits of the Airdyne bike, like 30 seconds on, and then we'll hop off and we'll do either some kind of lifting to touch up small body parts or just continue to get their heart rate up. This is fun for clients because it doesn't feel like you're wasting hours and hours on the step mill, on the elliptical. You can actually do something a little bit more enjoyable and challenging without the time invested into long bouts of cardio. But that being said, we don't want to ignore cardio, especially as we get older. The importance of heart health cannot be denied. Cardio is not bad, But if you combine small bursts of cardio with a more active lifestyle, so daily walks, low intensity type of stuff, parking further away, taking the stairs whenever possible, that is a good combination to take care of your heart and to see a drop in body fat and also look more athletic and also perform with more athleticism. So I would suggest saving some cardio for the end of your workout. You can either do more like WOD style workouts, quick circuits, or throw in something like the bike or little runs on the treadmill. The bike is my favorite tool though, because it's just very low impact and also very tough. So use the bike and give those type of workouts a shot. So one thing I prescribe most of my guy clients over 30 is additional band work. This could either be done as part of your warm-up inside of your workout, or it could be some touch-up work when you're on the road or when you're at home. Things like doing something as simple as exercise band curls, right? Or attaching a band to something sturdy and doing additional things like face pulls, where you're doing a little bit of active recovery and strengthening the small muscle groups that prevent injury. Exercise band work can be highly underrated. It just has to be used appropriately. I'm not telling you to go jump into an exercise band exclusive workout, but it's not a bad idea to use in conjunction with things like dumbbells or to do things like mobility and stretching along with some band work. Keep a set of exercise bands handy. It's a really, really good tool, and it will serve you well inside of your workouts if it's programmed appropriately. Hey guys, if you made it this far in the video, appreciate you watching. Make sure to drop a comment below. What are your favorite type of workouts? Do you like using dumbbells, barbells, bands, or just your body weight? Let me know in the comments below, and let's wrap this up with my top tip for guys over 30 when it comes to my top secret workouts. So when it comes to a workout schedule, one of the best tips I can give you is less is more as you get older, all right? You don't need to be in the gym 6-7 days a week. You could go to the gym, but I wouldn't suggest heavy lifting sessions 6 or 7 days a week. I'd be more inclined to tell you to go 4 days a week. That's typically what I prescribe our clients. Something like Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, give you 1 day in the middle of the week off, Saturday and Sunday off. On those off days, you would just focus on overall activity, walking more, stretching, doing a sport with your kids, all the things that go into living in your 30s and beyond. But that being said, when you're focused in the gym, make sure you're paying attention to the clock. Don't sit on your phone checking emails, checking Instagram, watching YouTube videos. Focus on your workouts. Time your workouts. Give yourself a time limit so that you're in the gym and you're getting out and you're not wasting a bunch of time doing things you shouldn't be doing. Keep your gym sessions short and sweet, 40 minutes, 4 times a week. That's the secret. And just do that consistently. You don't need to have some crazy workout schedule. Just do that. It's gonna be more enjoyable. Remember, consistency is the name of the game here. And I'll tell you what, as I've grown up and gotten into adulthood, I have 2 kids, I have a crazy business that I run. You know, I just find my workout time to be very therapeutic. And I also find that if I do too much, I start to worry about all the other things I have to do. So 40 minutes, 4 times a week is really, really solid. I don't need any more than that. Keep it consistent, stay active on my other days, and everything else falls into place. So thanks so much for watching, guys. My name is JosiahNovak with thetruetransformation.com. If you made it this far, I have a free meal plan to go along with these workout tips. All you gotta do is go to the description of the video. It's my Dads with Abs 7-day meal plan. Very easy to follow, easy to use. Go download it now, it's absolutely free. And remember, subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment, what are your favorite type of workouts? I'll talk to you in the next video. Life moves fast, make it count. Peace.